having a bad 4th of July.
Oh.
Where's
Oh.
the fireworks?
Oh. I'm bored. I can't have no fireworks. And I can't find any fireworks anywhere. With it being 4th of July, you would think I could find a lot of fireworks. But can't find none.
All sold out, I bet you.
I'm gonna go to Facebook Marketplace to see if someone's selling them.
We missed out on the 4th of July.
Hey, I found fireworks on Facebook Marketplace.
Wow, get 'em. Oh, yeah.
He's selling it for like $10. Yeah.
$10.
Yeah. I'm gonna go buy it.
Don't forget about me.
Thank you for doing business. Here's firework. Thanks. Can I say right there? So, is this like what? Why is it a chili bottle with sparklers? It's not chili. That is gunpowder. Make big explosion. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take this. Thanks. Why is it taped? All right, I got him.
What is that?
It's a bunch of sparklers and gunpowder.
Gunpowder. That sounds scary.
Yeah, I'm gonna go light them off. Hey, wait a minute. Do you hear that? It's raining. It means I can't fire it outside. Well, there's always fire in the house.
No way. No, Lizard, no. Don't do it.
I got the lighter, got the fireworks in the kitchen. Time to light it off. Let the fireworks go. Gotta get this light. Ah, there he goes. Wait, what is it doing? Why is it shaking a little bit? Oh, yo. Oh, I gotta get out of here before it. Is this still going?